Hello and welcome. I am Scalelord, and in today's video, we're going to be going over what the first things you should be doing when first entering hard mode in Terraria. As you should first note, hard mode is activated after defeating the Wall of Flesh, which is fought in the underworld. I also want to quickly note that I have a video on this already, so make sure to watch that next. The very first thing that you should be doing when entering hard mode is going to your world's evil biome and start smashing altars. This will require the Pwn Hammer that you will get from the Wall of Flesh, so make sure to have that in your inventory as well. Doing this will bless your world with hard mode ores, and smashing around 9 to 12 altars should be more than enough to craft whatever you want. It should also be noted that hard mode enemies can be very overwhelming at first as well. A good idea is to look for some better weapons right away. There are a lot of different options available, and I won't be covering every single one, but two of them are the shotgun, which you can buy from the arms dealer NPC, and the crystal serpent that you can get from fishing in the hollow biome. It is also a good idea to go to spider caves too. There you can farm black recluses for spider fangs, and this will allow you to craft spider armor and the spider staff. This will make things a lot easier for you, but keep in mind that you might be made fun of for playing a summoner class. It is also a good idea to make the demon or angel wings as early as possible. Keep in mind this will be difficult as you do need to go to the sky, kill wyverns and harpies for souls of flight and feathers, as well as to go to your underground evil biomes to collect the souls of light or souls of night. But the demon wings and the angel wings are definitely worth it, and are almost a requirement for defeating the mechanical bosses. One of the most important things that you guys should also be doing is isolating your evil biomes. Create giant tunnels, probably 6 blocks wide, and just completely isolate that biome. The sooner you do this, the sooner you will prevent the spread. And trust me, when your bases become corrupt and your NPCs won't live there anymore, it is a pain in the butt. You want to avoid this right away. This is probably the #1 thing you actually want to do. That's going to be the end of this video, however, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If there was any tips that I forgot to mention, just let me know in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.